In this video, I just want to show you how you can use the JX AddApp command to add an application from a local path rather than from a remote repo. This is really handy if you're going to do some debugging of the install process, for example, the questions that you had asked. So you just use the JX AddApp command and you pass in a path rather than an app name. In this case, I'm going to do the Cheese app, and I'm doing that because I added some extra questions and I want to see if they work or not. Now, it is important you do the chart, not the Git repo. And if you're going to install a new Docker container, then you do need to make sure the Docker container is published. We should add that to the quick start builds for the apps so that it's really easy to just use this process out of the box. Now, these are the new questions that I added, so it looks like these ones are working. So let's select a couple, and then we ask about operating systems. So, and then let's see if it will add it. And so it added it, installed it. Now it's using that snapshot version, which comes from the chart file again. So that's sort of part of where it would be nice to maybe kind of tidy up a little bit around how we publish Docker images and so on. But you can see now that if I get the CRD for the plugin, this app installs a binary plugin. You'll see that the values I selected from those questions have been generated and applied through the template into the spec for the plugin. So that's all working, and the questions are all working. So that was just a quick and easy way to test that out without having to run through a full build.